Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your complexion, give or add freckles to your picture on the FaceApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then select the picture you would like to edit. Slide to the right side down below and click on the skin category. As you can see, you can apply the freckles filter for free, so it is available to all of the users, and the other ones are available only for the premium users of the application. Here you have 5 levels. So as you click on the level, you will be able to see how it looks like. So you can generate freckles. As you can see, you can see the contrast on the right side of the screen, so the difference between the original and the produced picture. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.